Hello, Mila's Playhouse. Hello, Mila's Playhouse. M-I-L-A-A, spelled off Mila, Mila.
You know what we're playing with today? Dropper! And because of Mila is lefty, we are going to try to use right hand, right Mila? Where's your right hand? Yeah, can you use only right hand? Thank you. So pretty, baby. I love it, I love it, I love it.
I'm starting on the table.
I see. So who's going to clean that?
Me.
Ta-da! Here is another one. That is so pretty. Really, Mila? Think it's so pretty?
Yeah. Let's clean it up.
Yeah, let's clean
I'll
up.
clean it.
Thank you.
Big mess.
Yeah, that's a big mess. Thank you. Thank you.
The table's all clean.
Thank you. What is that? That's a Lego Duplo, right? Good job, you see?
That's a little bit.
Oh no, Mila. Here is the water. Wait, just a little bit. Mix it. Mix it. Mix it more. And now wait.